So, yes, Max. This is more of a pain than I thought it would be. But, haven't found any snakes so far, so that's good.
Yeah, well, we've got other stuff to tear out from the back there with all the other shit that was growing. So if you want to dump the first load anywhere right here, because I think once you get off of this, we pulled out 2 big trees there. I don't know how sturdy that is, so until we can tag it. But if you want to come anywhere, if you want to dump it right in here, that's fine. Or if you want to dump it here, that's fine too.
Well, this is what 30 tons of ABC mix looks like. Not nearly as impressive. I know. Yes. So it looks like we're probably gonna need about 160 to 200 tons. My math was way off on this. So at this point, we'll fast forward the video a little bit here. There's no point in seeing me going back and forth all the time. Lost a lot of video because I didn't press record, but suffice to say, it wasn't 160 or even 200 tons. It ended up being right around 90, which is not considerably less, but much less than 200. The upcoming videos will be of the God, I wish I could speak. The skid steer with the 36-inch auger. That was fun because the day I did that, the winds were brisk 30 miles an hour, peaking and gusting to around 45 or 50. I am still eating and pulling out bits of sand not only from my ears, but my nose, and every now and then my teeth. But thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoy this, and as the progress continues, we'll throw some more videos at you. Take care, everybody. Good morning, everyone. Got the Bobcat S66 R Series here today.